It smells so strong and toxic in here, y'all. Don't be alarmed. This is what we're tackling today. I was like, what is the smell? Come to find out, I had a box of hand sanitizer up there that has just been leaking. I just heard a drip, drip, drip. So Zara is opening up her window because I came in here, our laundry room, to put the clothes in the dryer, right? And I was like, what is that smell? I'm asking the girls, did you spill anything? What did you do? Did you open anything? Were you playing with nail polish? So on and so forth. It smells so strong and toxic in here, y'all. Don't be alarmed. This is what we're tackling today. I was like, what is the smell? Come to find out, I had a box of hand sanitizer up there that has just been leaking. I just heard a drip, drip, drip. First, I thought it was my washing machine, the roof. Come to find out, it was just a box of hand sanitizer. I don't know what happened to it because it's been up there. Nobody's touched it and it just smells so strong. I don't know what kind of hand sanitizer that is. Nonetheless, this has prompted me to pull all of this out and redo this whole area up here again because it's starting to get out of control. Zara has a mask on. She said she can't take the smell. She's recording on her phone. She likes to record like I do. I gave her my old tripod. Now we got to get to work. So right now, Zara and I are going to work together. She's actually really good at organizing. She's actually better than me at organizing. And if you guys remember, one of the very first videos I posted was when I organized my linen closet. Don't be alarmed. We're going to redo that too. And Zara was only one. And she was like, hi.
Flashback.
Let me take a 30-second time out for a little bit of cuteness. Say hi, baby. Say hi. Say hi. Hi.
End of flashback.
Back in 2013, that was the last time I did this. That's a whole nother project, girl, for a whole nother day. Right now, we got to do something with this and this. So let's get started. Might as well get a load in while we're cleaning. It is amazing how much dirt and glitter. It's really mostly glitter that can accumulate in a laundry room. Wow, we don't even wear our shoes up here. All right, now that the floor is clean, sorry, the washing machine is going and the dryer is going at the same time. Now that the floor is clean, or not clean, swept, I am going to steam mop in here because that smell, it doesn't smell as strong, but I've been standing in here for a while, but I'm gonna wipe this area down and steam mop in here. Now, I know a lot of you are like, oh, holy crap, Gia, you have a ton of Clorox and Lysol. And I do. Okay, so please don't come for me. I will be donating more than half of this to my kids' school for the teachers. And so I have just been stocking up ever since the pandemic hit, picking stuff up every single time I had an opportunity to do so. As a matter of fact, I made a whole video about how to find Clorox and Lysol wipes. You can tap this eye right here if you're still struggling to find them. But now that we're almost out of the pandemic, not quite, I will be donating half of this to my kids' school. So they need it, and that's what we're gonna do. So anyway, let me go ahead and steam mop in here. So I was all set to let Zara steam mop in here, and I cannot find the attachment, the water container that goes in here. That's driving me crazy. I don't know, I have no idea where it is. It's been a very long time since I've used this. But I'm gonna go online and see if I can order a replacement for it, because it still works. I plugged it in and it still works. So you're going to spray like this and mop. Spray and mop. It all in the corners. Okay?
Got it.
Got it? Happy mopping.
Spray.
And mop. Very good. Spray. Then mop. Very good. Get underneath there. I hope it's fun to you, girl. We can mop every week. Spray. Then mop. All right, so Zara and I mopped in here. We used my Rubbermaid. I think I have a little bit of Mr. Clean in here, just a little bit mixed with water. So now the floor is gonna dry, and while the floor dries, we are going to organize the things, like put the Lysol with the Lysol, the wipes with the wipes, bleach with the bleach, all that fun stuff. All right, let's get it. How does it get so dirty up here? I just don't understand. I guess it's like lint from the dryer and dust, so I gotta clean this up.
A few moments later.
All right, we're all clean here. Now, okay. Just trying to figure out how to fit the rest of the stuff in here. Okay, ideally, I need to get another one of these and stack it so that I have more shelving space for my cleaners. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna have to do until I get ready to make the donation to their school. My girls are still 100% digital at this point. So the next time I do go to the school, that's when I'll make the donation, but I need to find a place for all this stuff right now. We know it's clean because we mopped it.
Yay! So we're gonna be doing the broom goes here because there's a spacer for the door to not hit the broom and the wall. So we can put it right here.
Hang it right there with our command hooks.
And it won't hit it at all.
Okay, and then what are we gonna do with the other hooks? The other hooks are gonna be for the mop, right?
We're gonna be placing them, the two mops right here and right here.
Okay, so the two mops are gonna go over there on that wall. Got it. All right, well, let's do it. So far, so good. Show them the broom.
So the broom goes right here now.
Yeah, it's perfect.
And look.
See?
Doesn't hit the broom
Good
at all.
job.
Yay.
But unfortunately, the hook this is way too big for the hooks. See, it has to be that diameter. Okay, so now we got to find room for the mop, this, and the bucket, and my cleaning caddy, and all that. So let's get it. Okay, so now that everything's put away, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the face of my washer and dryer. I don't know if you can see all the water stains. Well, not water stains. I honestly don't know what kind of stain they are. See the stains there. And down here. So I'm gonna use this multi-surface cleaner by Sprayway for granite, glass, electronics, wood, and metal. Look how dusty that is. Ew. And I'm gonna use the glass cleaner for inside this part. So let's get started. You'd be surprised how dirty that is. Now we got to get into the nitty gritty. Okay, this area right here needs a good wipe down, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that down. Just so much like lint and stuff every time you open your dryer, you know, all this needs to be wiped down. So this right here is a problem child. It's pretty clean because I wiped this down. I poured bleach in here, I want to say maybe over 6 or 7 months ago, and it's been holding up pretty well. So definitely check yours every so often. But that one time where I just poured bleach in there and just wiped it down really good, it's held up. So I'm just gonna wipe this down really quick. All right, so I found an area that I missed in here. Just want to wipe through. Well, that was rather satisfying. I got every little piece of gunk you can think of out of there. I wiped all at the top here and in between here. So now she's good to go. Because even if you run your wash cycle, which I try to do at least once every 2 weeks, if not once a month, I'll just run a tub clean with just bleach. You know, you still have to wipe that area down. So, all right, let me wipe down my dryer and then I'm gonna be done. Well, that was pretty daggone dusty. That was pretty dusty, but she's wiped down nicely now. Well, why don't you look at here? Look at this, all clean. Now, those are my cleaning rags and towels and stuff that I need to wash. I'm going to wash as soon as I'm done filming. It looks so much better in here, right, y'all? Yay! So this will do for now. At least we can walk in here and it not be like crazy. It triggered me, that spill just really triggered me to go ahead and clean this area up and get it back to being organized the way I need it to be. And it was a good way for me to go through my inventory so I could see exactly what I'm going to donate, how much I'm going to donate and stuff like that, which is great. I'm so happy and I feel blessed that I'm able to do that. And so yeah, I am good to go. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this type of content, give my video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, join my YouTube family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.